You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be solving question 2, which is a pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. The parameters are as shown there. The across corner is 60. Angle of inclination of the cutting plane is 30 to the horizontal, and it is at a height of 20, as you can see. So let us just move straight to business. As usual, you start from the plan. Let me pick a point that I want to use. I want to pick this point, and it says across corner. Whenever you hear across corner, it means the diameter of a circle is 60. So definitely the radius will be 30. I'll measure 30 on my compass. This is 30. I'll stay at this point, and I'll draw a circle of radius 30, like that. So the next thing, I will draw a horizontal line because the hexagon is sitting on one of its sides. So draw this one here like this. Then you use the radius, the same radius that you have used to draw the circle. Use it to mark arc above and below from this point, above and below. You come to this other point, you mark it above and below. So that's how to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So you can now join with ruler. Join with ruler like this. This. You join the hexagon like that and like this. So don't forget, it is a pyramid, so definitely you need to join the diagonals. You still draw them with thin line for now. Join them with thin line because we still have to draw the complete plan. So now that we are done with this, you can now let us draw a vertical line from the center first. A vertical line from the center so that we can measure the height. Then let us pick this point as the base of our pyramid. So you rule that. So you can now take from this place, now you can measure the height. And according to the question, the height is 70. So let me measure the height. From 8 to 1 will give us 70. So now take all the corners of the pyramids to the stop at the base. Stop at the base. This one too. Take it up and stop at the base. The same thing with this side. Take it up and stop at the base. And the other end, stop at the base. So you can now join them like this. And this one. Then you join this and the last one like that. So now the position of the cutting plane is 30 degrees from the side, so we need to measure the 30. Measure the height of 20. Measure the height of 20. This is 20. Then you transfer it to the side. You don't need to draw line, just put a point there and put your 30 degrees set square because it is 30. Assuming you want to measure the angle, let me measure the angle this time around. So I will draw a horizontal line, a very small horizontal line, and measure my 30 degrees like this. Make sure the center, this cross, vertical and horizontal line where they are meeting, is at the point, and the line at the bottom is on the line you have drawn. The horizontal line, you place it like this and measure 30. 10, 20, 30. This is 30. So you can now draw your cutting plane. So that's cutting plane inclined at 30 degrees. So what do we do next? let us label the plan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, so this point will be 1. This is 2 and 6, so this will be 2 and 6. This one is 3 and 5, 3, 5, and the last one is 4. So now that we have done this, let us draw the complete plan, because the plan will not look like this completely, but some part of it has been cut off. So put your T-square, bring down 4 vertically downward, bring out 4 vertically downward. It will intersect 4 here. Then the next one is 5 and 3, 5 and 3. It will intersect. You can see this is 3 here and 5 here. So we have 2 and 6 now. Bring it vertically downward. This is 2 here and this is 6 here. This one, bring this one 2 down like this. It is 1 to 1. So because what we are constructing now is a pyramid, and pyramid has straight edges, so we're going to join with straight line. The reason why in this case we used French curve to join is because a cone has curved surface. That's why we had to use French curve to join. But in the case of this one, we're going to use ruler to join because pyramids has straight edges. So you join like this, like that, this one, and finally this one. So that is the true shape. And because they have edges, you have to thicken this one like this up to connect the side of the pyramids together. You connect this one with thick line, and you also do this one, thick line and thick line. So don't forget, we have to section the center because that's the portion that has been cut. Section it. Don't let your section lines to go out of your boundary, and let the section line be evenly spaced. That's how to do it. Let them be evenly spaced. It's not that you be measuring, you just gauge the spacing with your eyes. Just gauge it. So that's it. Now don't forget, let us thicken out this one too, so that we can separate our drawings from our construction lines. So don't forget, this is an edge. This edge is representing, this one is representing this side. So you have to make it thick. You have to make it thick, and this one too is representing this one. So it has to be thick. Then thicken this cutting plane and the base. And this one thick. So that is that. Now let us now draw elevation in the direction of arrow X. Looking in this view, what do we see? So you get your 45 degrees set square. Your 45 degrees set square. At this point, measure your 45 line. Draw your 45 degree line. Then extend. You always start with the top, middle, and the bottom. The top to your 45 degrees. The middle is already there, and the bottom like that. So let us take them vertically upward. Take them vertically upward. The middle will go all the way to the top. Let me draw the base so that I don't extend beyond where necessary, like this. So take this one to the base line, and take this one too to the base line. So that's that. Now the extent at which the height will stop. put it here like this, and you draw. That's where the height will stop. So you can join it to this place. You are still going to join with thin line for now. You use thin lines. So now it's time to now draw the elevation and direction of our X. Let us see our 4. Take 4 here. Bring 4 here. And where's 4? 4 is in the middle. So it will meet 4 here at this point. The next one, bring, this is 2. Let us take 2. 2 will go this way and vertically upward. You can see it will meet 2. You have to be very, very careful here. Otherwise, they won't meet at the point where they are supposed to meet. You can see 2 is meeting 2 here. And which one is this? This is 3. Take 3 here. It's very close to 2. Let me take 3 here. This is 3. It's actually meant to be somewhere here. Let's see. You can see there's a little problem there. So take it up. It's supposed to meet it at this point. So there's one error or the other. So by the time you do it properly, it's always very, very tight in doing this thing. It's very, very tight. You take it up. They are supposed to meet at this point. At this point. Then 1 is on the middle. Bring 1 like this. This is 1. You can see going to 1. Then the next one is, this is 5. Bring 5 here and take it vertically upward. 5 is working well. Perfect. So it's meeting here. And the next one is 6. 6 is somewhere here. 6 is also working very well. 6 is meeting at the exact point, this place. Now, take note that when we were doing for cone, to draw all these points, we were taking it from the perimeter. Take note of that. We are taking it from the perimeter and taking them up with radial lines. But when we are doing for pyramid, we're taking from the cutting plane. That's the cutting plane, and the lines are vertical. For cone, the line will be radial lines. For pyramid, the lines will be vertical. And we are going to take from inside. For cone, we're going to take our lines, our horizontal lines, from the perimeter. So take note of the difference. So you join this way, like this. This. So go like this. This one. This. And finally this. And don't forget, you have to take in the remaining part to come like this. The middle, this one, this line is right because we are looking like this. So you see this edge, this line here. So it will now fall in the middle here. It will fall in the middle like this. And this one too will be completed like this. Then don't forget the base like this. So that is the elevation in direction of arrow X when you view from this side. So let us now section the cutting plane. Section it. don't think this line is correct. It is not resting properly on it. Yes, it is not correct. So it goes like this, this, this. Use 60 degrees set square to section. The last one. So now we have been able to draw the given view. We have drawn the complete plan and elevation direction of arrow X remaining the true shape. So to draw the true shape, you draw a perpendicular line to the cutting plane. Draw a perpendicular line to the cutting plane. You put it at the back. Make sure it is the set square is parallel to that cutting plane, and you shift it a little bit downward. Then you place. Okay. Let me use the other one. You place it on it and draw for 4. Take it to 3 and 5. Don't let the set square at the bottom shift. Take it to 2 and 6. And finally to 1. To 1. Then just move it a little bit upward so that you can get another base. So I can just put it here. I want to use different method for this one now. You can draw the line there. So now we're drawing the cutting plane. Remember when we're drawing the cutting plane, this true shape here, we use the one inside. We brought them out. So the same thing will happen here. Let us bring 2 out, then 3, then we'll bring 1 and 4. Then this one is, what is this? This is 5. Bring 5 out. Then the last one, 6. Then across it you draw a vertical line. A vertical line. So this one is 5. Look at it. No. This is 6. 6. And this one is 5. This one is 1 and 4. And this one is 3. The topmost one is 2. So at the bottom here we have 6 here. Because I want to avoid drawing, because when I put my compass between 5 and 6, they will be very close. I might not get it perfectly. So what I will do 6 to 2. I'll do 6 to 2 like this. I'll mark, that will give me 2. So for my 6 now, I will measure my 3. Put it on 3 like this. You can see it's on 3, 6 to 3. I'll stay on 6 and mark 3. Then I'll also do for my 6 to 1 and 4 like this. 1 and 4 like this. So I'll mark it here. Then I'll now go to 2 because it's remaining 5. So let me go back to 2. Remember 2 is at the top. So I'll stay at the top. Oh no. Here, I'll stay at the top and extend it to 5 so that I can get my 5. But when they are very close, you will not get it correctly. So I'll stay here now and mark and do it again. So I'll stay here now and mark my 5. So I've obtained everything. Now let us draw parallel lines. Parallel lines from all these points. You put this line on the one that you have. You now place this one here and shift it to the next one. You rule, shift to the next one. You rule, the next one, rule, and the last one, rule. So I just label there. This is 6, followed by 5, followed by 1 and 4, followed by 3 and 2. So those are the points. So let us now connect them. This is 1 here. It is meeting 1 here. This is 1 and 4. It is meeting 1 at this point. Here we have 2 and 6. It is meeting 6 here. As you can see, this is 6 and 2 here. It is meeting 2 here. And this is 3 and 5. It's meeting 5 here. Look at it. This is 5.